Hi, I'm Rap. Let's check out what's new in Live 10's automation in under a minute.
So let's talk a little bit about automation. If I want to automate this kick loop right now, you may go, well, what's going on? I can't see the automation. Well, that's simple. All you need to do is click the A button or this little button up here. Now your automation will appear and the frequency tab is there. Another new feature is that I can double click anywhere and create a breakpoint. Now that is a really great feature. See this little line? That shows you where you're snapping to grid. The other thing I can do is I can drag my automation as well if I wanted to. Select it all. I can move it. And if I want to hide all the lanes, I can just simply click hide.